Introduction and key challenges. Hi everyone, today we're diving into an important topic of how developing countries like Pakistan can move towards using renewable energy like solar, wind, and hydropower. As the world fights climate change, switching to cleaner energy is more important than ever. But for developing countries, this transition is full of both challenges and opportunities. So, why is it so hard? Challenge number 1, weak infrastructure. Pakistan's electricity grid is outdated. It struggles to handle renewable sources that can be unpredictable, like solar power during cloudy days or wind when it's calm. Challenge number 2, financial problems. Building renewable energy system takes a lot of money. Pakistan has limited funds and economic instability makes investors nervous. Challenge number 3, unclear energy policies. When energy policies can change often or are poorly managed, business and investors don't want to take the risk. Challenge number 4, lack of skills and technology. We don't have enough trained engineers or researchers in renewable technology. That slows progress. Challenge number 5, strong fossil fuel industry. Coal, oil, and gas companies have been around for a long time. They have power and influence, and they often get more support than green energy.
Consequences and national efforts. Now let's talk about what happens if we don't act quickly. Firstly, we get economic stress. Pakistan spends billions of dollars on imported fuel. This makes us vulnerable when global oil prices rise. It also leads to inflation and financial problems. Secondly, we have health and environment. Burning fossil fuels causes air pollution. Big cities like Lahore face heavy smog in winter, leading to breathing issues and other health problems. Thirdly, we have energy insecurity. Without reliable renewable resources, Pakistan will continue to face load shedding and blackouts. This affects industries, schools, hospitals, and almost everyone. Lastly, we have missed job opportunities. Renewable energy can create thousands of jobs in installation, maintenance, manufacturing, and more. But delay means we lose out on this potential. So, what is Pakistan and its government doing? Pakistan has introduced policies like the Alternative Energy Policy, which aims to increase solar, wind, and hydropower. Some projects are being built with help from international donors and organizations. Training programs are starting to build local expertise. But there's a problem. Progress is slow. Policies are not always followed, and government departments often don't work together smoothly. Still, these are the steps in the right direction, and these are the steps that Pakistan and the government has to follow.
Global lessons and what Pakistan can do. Now let's look at what other countries are doing and what Pakistan can learn. From India. India created strong solar energy policies and partnered with private companies. Their national solar mission helped bring in billions in investments. From Africa. In sub-Saharan Africa, many countries are using small off-grid systems to provide electricity to remote villages. This shows that we don't always need giant power plants. We can start small and local. From the World Bank and others. Global banks and agencies like the World Bank and IRENA, International Renewable Energy Agency, offer funding, advice, and technical help. Pakistan can take better advantage of these resources. So what can Pakistan do next? 1. Upgrade the grid. We need a modern, smart electricity grid that can handle renewable energy sources and balance energy better. Create financial incentives. Introduce things like green bonds, tax cuts for clean energy companies, and support from donor agencies to make investment more attractive. 3. Fix policy system. Make energy policy stable and easy to understand. Investors need to trust the system. 4. Build skills locally. Train engineers, set up research centers, and work with universities. Local talent will drive long-term success. 5. Empower communities. Encourage small community-led solar projects in villages and towns. This gives people ownership and spread the benefit.
To sum it all up, our final thought is that the road to renewable energy is not easy, especially for countries like Pakistan. But with smart planning, strong policies, and global cooperation, it can be done. By acting now, Pakistan can reduce pollution, create jobs, and build a better future for the next generation. Let's power a clean tomorrow together.